welcome back to Vicky Tarts to Review. Today we'll be reviewing the Shopkins So Cool Fridge Season 2. Okay, so up first we have this cup that comes with a set and the 6 little mini Shopkin eggs. I'll show you them really quickly. This one. This one. And this one. Try, whatever, I'll just do this, maybe, yeah. So, these are the 6 mini Shopkins. And they go in like a little teeter-totter. It's really cute. And we actually had 2 exclusive Shopkins, but one is playing hide and seek with us. So we have to find him. This is one of them. It's Yoshi. He's frozen yogurt. I think it's Yoshi. I'm not sure. Let's put her here. I think I had the Shopkin in my hand. No, I don't. Okay. So, next up, inside here, what do you know? We have the other exclusive Shopkin that comes with a set. It's a soda, and it's a frozen too. I think I know why it would be here. Wow, we got it right off the bat. So, this cup comes with a set because I think that you press this blue button right here that I've seen in some videos, and then the dispenser up here automatically goes down to the cup when you push the button. So let's test it out. Okay? Oh wow, that is so cool. So we'll just leave it there, and I guess we could put our little Yoshi in here where I like to put my refreshments and frozen stuff. So we're just gonna put this little cup aside, and maybe in the refreshments I could put my soda pops, my ice cream dream, my Gertie, what was the other one's name? I forgot. Oh yeah, little sipper. And the 3 fuzzy babies. Gaga Gourmet, Baby Puff. Put it inside. And sippy cups. Oh wow, my brother's playing with, I guess, Ida's cart or something. I have no idea. So yeah, let's just pop it inside there. And I think we will do the part with like the fruit and the veg. So let's just gather them up over here. So first up we have Melanie Pips. Next we have strawberry Strawberry kiss. Oh, look at the little nose, the little nose, the little nose. So cute. And this is the avocado. Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah, chew. So this is garlic rose. I think this little guy made me sneeze. Oh, you little naughty when you were adorable. And Chloe flower. And let's just put redhead here for a randomness for steak. It's April Fool's Day. You want to be fooled with your refrigerator? I would. So, in the sweet treats, I know Wobbles is party food, but I like to put him in my sweet treats for some reason. So let's just put him aside. So Wobbles, you go in there. Daddy's fine with me. I love him with Miss Twist. Yeah, he's right. We have the same problem. Except I have twistitis and he has wobbleitis. Wow, you're really perfect for each other. So next up is Candy Cotton. Yeah, you get in there. You get in. Next up, Mini Minty. I don't think she could fit. There she fit. Okay, next up we have Mandy Candy. So let's put her right there. And we could put Yummy Gum. These are sweet treats too, but in season 2, like, what's her name? Mini Minty. Okay, so let's put her inside there. Mini Minty and Yummy Gum are best friends. Okay, down to the bakery. Okay, actually, we forgot to put Millie's shakes in the refreshments. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Well, let's put her in there, and now she's fine. Right? So let's just put Fifi flour in here, and Tommy ketchup, Colonel mustard, and apple soup. Let's just fit them in, cause I am so sure that this would fit, and it fit. So that's really good over here. Can you see it? I think you can. Yes. So let's leave that there, and let's put in the bakery and party food. Just for frenzies. Cherry churro. Next up, mini muffin. And flutter cake. I wanted the yellow and pink one because it would be match so good with Fluttershy. That would be adorable. So this is Rainbow Bite. And she actually goes in the party food. So she won't show up until later. I think we could put pecan pie in there. Yeah. Okay, whatever. I think we could put slick breadstick right there. Oh my god, what a miracle, it fit. And carrot cake. Now, I think she will be a problem. Okay. Little Maddie, huh? Next up, we have poppy corn. I think we could put poppy corn in here, you know, for April Fool's, because today is actually not April Fool's, but it's April, so ha 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 ha. So Yeah, I'm being kind of awkward. I love April Fools. Yeah, so we finished this part. But if none of you had noticed, we are missing this part. This down part right here. Which I'm gonna put my 3 Shopkins really quickly. The ones that would usually be in a kitchen, like zapping microwaves, squeaky clean, and Lisa litter. So let's put them inside. Oh, squish it in, squish it in. And Lisa litter. Push, 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 push. That sounded kind of weird, didn't it? Now, this would actually close really good, except for Rainbow Bite, that she's kind of in the way. But I think I could put Rainbow Bite in here, and then it'll close perfectly. Wow! I never thought of that. This is the most amazing set ever. So yeah, this So Cool fridge with the cup. And I'm just gonna show you the stickers. You've got Wobbles, Bubbles, Honey, Delish Donut, Cupcake Queen, like a little food list, shopping list, Cupcake Queen and Fairy Crumbs. You got the suntan lotion, I keep on forgetting its name. You have Rock and Brock and Creamy Bun Bun. You have Soda Pops. You have down here, Silky and Champy taking a little bath. I forgot this one's name because I can't really see it. This is Lippy Lip Strawberry Kiss. This is the exclusive one that we just got now. I think it's Yoshi. And this is Tina Tuna, my favorite limited edition in season 1. And this is Wishes. And on this side, we've got 3 of the emotional eggs that came with the set. And we also have Apple Blossom. So that is it for the So Cool fridge. That is just so cool. And see you next time on Vicky Tarts to Review. Remember, every toy is your friend, and make the sweetie tarts be with you. Bye!